Hey, what's up guys, it's Quick Gaming here, and we're back on another video of Doki Lit Club. Okay, let's start now. About someone being ridiculed for a strange interest.
Hentai. Eek! She did.
Yeah. She was talking about how it doesn't matter what you're into as long as you're not hurting anybody.
I forgot where the fuck we're at in the story. She's right. I mean... Quotation. Does she really feel that way? ... question mark quotation. I'll say the wrong the whole time. I'd say
yeah.
I said parentheses.
Okay, yeah. Sounds like you have to have that in common.
Hey, you want to tell her a joke? That's interesting.
What's the joke?
Why did Susie fall off the swing?
Why?
Because she had no arms.
Oh, okay.
Why did Susie drop her ice cream? Because she got ran over. To me, she seemed like the kind of person who'd make fun of my hobbies, like Hobby Lobby.
Hey, what did little Susie get for Christmas?
What?
Gloves. Just kidding. She still hasn't opened her Christmas present.
But I suppose that's my fault for judging, isn't it? Ah, please don't tell her I said that.
Ah ha ha. Don't worry. I have no reason to.
Oh, Jay.
Blojo.
Rape has consent in it as long as you consent yourself about doing it. That's all you need.
Well, thank
you for sharing it with me. After all, if I hadn't learned to embrace my own weirdness, I would probably hate myself.
Okay.
I might be ranting a little bit now. Oh yeah, to make myself look like Shaggy.
Why?
As a practice makeup thing in the theater class.
What? That's so weird.
I know. They're doing Shrek.
Shrek.
Chance, the kid that was next to me in theater, he's doing Shrek.
Wow.
They're like Shrek's hobbies. Dude, they looked up on Shrekpedia, like what his his day was, and at the end it said he relaxes at night, and it said in parentheses watches porn.
Oh wow!
I was like, Shrek watches porn. I might be ranting a little bit. Okay, let me look it up really quick.
Oh, okay.
Let me just look up
Shrek.
For Shrekpedia, the musical. That's not what I'm looking for. The fuck Shrekpedia.
Okay, this is going to be included in the video.
Yeah, we can't edit that anyway.
Yeah, we could, but who cares?
Just, what?
Shrekpedia.
Pedo.
Shrekpedo. Shrekopedia.
Shrek Wiki. He said his hobbies.
Shrek hobbies.
Relaxes, watches porn.
Wow.
Takes a poop, mud bath, catches fish by farting, pushes slugs out of log for supper, sets up fire by burping, eats, relaxes, watches porn, goes to bed. Should add an image of Caven.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Okay.
But I'm glad that you're a good listener.
No one cares. Let's go to Sayori.
Oh yeah, our poem about dark depressing weed or something.
Yeah, I forgot how it was since I haven't been back.
We clicked the darkest things. Quotations. ... Quotations. What the fuck is that face? That's when she sees your dick.
Wow.
Whoa!
It's small.
Hey, you want me to do what I did to little Susie?
What?
Cut off her arms and put her on a swing.
Wow.
Oh my goodness! This is so good, Anal Cave. I love it. Especially after yesterday's poem.
Yesterday?
More like 2 weeks ago.
More like, 2 weeks
Oog.
Oog.
Oomph.
Ooga booga. You're too honest sometimes, Sayori.
That's what you say when you rape someone. Ooga boo.
Ooga booga. That your crime is justified.
Pop out of bush and just ooga booga.
Ooga booga. Ooga booga.
Ravioli, let me touch your ovioli. No, but really, I want to put this on my wall. Can I?
Sayori, kill yourself. You must be seriously overreacting.
Ooga booga.
I'm not a good writer at all. Ooga booga. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing. Ooga booga.
Like the Caveman 2000 Rise of the Ooga Booga.
Rise of the Ooga booga.
What? Throw me in a well. Call me Better Crocker and throw me in a well. Maybe that's why. Because I have no idea what I like either. This is so like teenage angst. Jizz.
Ooga booga.
Ooga booga. Ravioli, ravioli, let me rapioli.
I'm sure Yuri's opinion has to be a little more constructive than this. Maybe even Natsuki.
Natsuki.
Are you even sure that you don't like it just because I wrote it, Ooga Booga?
Well, I'm sure that's part of... I like this because you wrote it. I wonder if she likes you.
I think I understand you better than a lot of other people, you know.
Oh, that's my...
Oh, shit.
So when I read your poem...
I raped you.
It's not just a poem. It's a Kavanal poem.
Anal cave.
It's a concrete day poem. And that makes it feel extra ooga booga. Like, I can feel your feelings. I can feel your dick in my face. How was she hugging it? Hugs the sheet against her chest? Is it in her bra? Ooga booga.
You're so weird, Sayori. Ooga Booga.
Oh, this is sick. I thought that was the pink-haired bitch. Oh.
Oh, what? You actually thought it was... Do you not see the fucking name?
I forgot what their name... They all just look like Japanese people. Japanese, Korean, Chinese, all the same. Well, I'm not very good at figuring out if films are good or bad.
I'll be right back.
But that's why I just go out, just go by my heart. If it makes me feel things, then it must be a good poem. I'm not sure exactly how that works. Then again, I guess conveying feelings is a pretty important part of this whole thing. Yeah, maybe. Honestly, I don't even know what kind of writing you like in the first place. Who's here?
My brother.
How the fuck do you have so many crescent rolls?
Crescent.
You can have it. I'm fine. I thought you said you weren't hungry.
I am hungry.
Yeah. Me neither. Somehow you don't even know what you like. And she's like, yeah.
Shindeku.
Shingahu Haguchi. No meat. Oog.
Ooga Booga. Why do you at least try giving...
At least give it a thought. One
Law and
thought.
order.
One thought. Two thought. Red thought. Blue thought. Oh, you want to write something for me. That's so sweet.
Yeah, right. Ooga Booga. But you're always thinking about other people, Ooga Booga. You need to think about yourself once in a while, Ooga Booga. If you don't, you might end up getting hurt at some point. Ooga Booga.
Well, throw me in a well and call me Ooga Booga. I don't really know what you mean, but I'll try and keep it. Are you retarded? With that face.
Not face.
Apparently some kid said niggertron in class.
What?
Because you know, like, Mice and Men, we read that? And it talked about, like, hanging some black man because, like, the girls said that.
Oh.
When that happened, there's, like, this kid who has, like, a mental thing. He says, niggertron. And he, like, drew him in class. Like, hang on, niggertron. I was like, what the fuck?
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, Tommy told me that. Like, the teacher didn't do it.
Well, whatever, Ooga Booga.
Anyway, let's see. Miss. I guess I like happy poems. Wait, sometimes I like sad poems too. Sometimes a little bit of both. That means you're depressed. There's a word for that, right? Booga booga.
Bisexual.
What's the word? If you're happy, you're a male, and if you're unhappy, you're a female. Go clean the fucking dishes. Bittersweet. I like bittersweet cock in my ass. Yeah! I like things that are happy and things that are sad. Like my dad
Beating me.
and sticking his dick inside a pineapple.
What? A pineapple.
It's sweet, you know? It's bittersweet.
Wow.
You want something bittersweet, take this dick in your ass. This is a weird
Happy
video.
and sad. Ooga booga. I can't see you liking something sad, Sayori. Ooga booga.
Well, I like
Well, I'm depressed and I'm gonna kill myself.
I like happy the most. But sometimes when you have a little rain cloud in your head, a sad poem can help give that rain cloud a little hug. And to make a happy rain, but what if it's a rainbow at night, which is an actual thing? It's called a dark bow. It's a rainbow that happens at night. So is that still unhappy?
Who knows? Sayori, that's an unexpectedly poetic. Ooga booga.
It is. Maybe I'm getting better at expressing my felons for it. Thanks, Kavanal. I should go write that down. Then, you could read my poem now, okay? Bottles. My dad likes bottles. He hits me if I'm once he's done drinking. He has little balls of sunshine.
Little ball of sunshine.
I pop off my scalp like the lid of a cookie jar.
What?
I eat them like Pringles. It's a secret place where I keep all my dreams. Little balls of sunshine. All rubbing together like a bundle of kittens. Why is it making noises?
Oh.
Number 15, Burger King foot salad. The last scene.
Burger King.
Burger King foot salad. You don't know what that is? Oh.
What happened?
Here, I'll show you it.
No, don't show me. We're still recording.
Here, I'll just click YouTube and I'll get off it. Little balls of sunshine all rubbing together like a
Who the hell is Jeremy Jans?
Jeremy Jans? I don't know why I'm still subscribed to that guy. I'll just cover that up. Fuck! You know what? Let's just... Fuck. This recording's a big pile of dicks. Can you go full screen, Mom?
Full screen.
I reach inside with my thumb and forefinger and pluck one out. Anal hair? It's warm and tingly. But there's no time to waste. I put it in a bottle to keep it... I don't even want to fucking read this. This is cancer.
Just tap on the outside.
Holy crap!
I killed myself. Holy crap, the paper has writing on it.
I didn't know you were that good. I didn't know you could write. What are you looking at?
Well, I'm going on Gmod. That was like...
What's that YouTube video?
I don't know. Who knows?
Of course I wrote that! Didn't I tell you yesterday I was gonna write the best poem ever?
Did I tell you I raped your mom?
Yeah, but... It's your line.
Bend over and... oh. Yeah, but...
Butter my ass and...
Booga.
Okay. I mean, I did... Oh,
I mean, I didn't expect something like this from you, Ooga Booga.
coming from you. Monica taught me a whole lot. And I've been really in touch with my asshole recently.
I see that. Ooga Booga.
I can see it under your fucking, like, 2-inch skirt. Skirt. It's almost kind of creepy.
It's almost kind of creepy.
Crappy creepypasta?
Well,
Well,
not exactly.
maybe because...
Maybe because I'm used to being cheerful, Ooga Booga. Well, never mind, Ooga Booga.
We'll never mega mind. So,
I'm thinking too hard about it. The point is, it came out good, so that you should be proud of it.
my nut came out good, so you should be proud of it.
Mm-hmm.
Aw, thanks. I feel like I was meant to express myself this way. It even helps me understand my own feelings a little bit better. I'm actually a unisexual fellow.
I'm a unicycle.
Writing... I sexually identify as a unicycle. Writing is like magic.
You've gotten pretty passionate about this, huh?
Okay, you want to end it there?
Okay. So we gotta end it here because we can, and see you later in the next video.
Look into her eyes.
Yep.
Also, always put little Susie on